Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 29th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in creating these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla had an interesting day today. We are up $30.37, almost 5%, 4.69%. We closed at 677.35. Post-market, we seem to be down 2.94. So we have a nice green candle today. Nice green candle with a longer wick at the top, shorter wick at the bottom. And if you see here, we are respecting this support right here. So basically, this support had been in use for a while. We have the support that I have already drawn here, but we seem to have this other support that is very close to the first one, is parallel. Look at this here. So this seems to make sense. Look at this. We are at the bottom of the body. We have at the wick here, close to the body, close to the body, close to the wick. So basically, we seem to have a double support kind of a situation. So nice, strong day for Tesla today, but because we have a bigger wick at the top than at the bottom, so it means that during the day, we went pretty far, but then we were pushed back down a little bit. Let's go see this on the hour chart. So first hour, nice green candle. Look at the volume here. We have 186,000 shares exchanged, and on average per hour, it's approximately 67. So big increase in volume. And then the second hour also pretty nice here. And then we are just going sideways and consolidating a little bit. Touching the top of the channel, crossing it a little bit. I'm just checking if I need to adjust the channel. I won't adjust it yet. I think it still represents what is happening. And the last candle is really a neutral candle. So a pretty strong day for Tesla. Post-market, we seem to be down. Sorry. So maybe we are going to just come down a little bit. I think I can remove this one here. We won't need it. Is it possible that we see something else forming like this? Is it possible that we are doing something like this? Let me put it there to see if it holds true. So basically, within the big congestion zone between 624 and 694, we have been making peaks. And the peaks seem to be a little bit weaker. This one, of course, is pretty weak. This one is getting stronger, but this one is not as high as this one here. This is why I think we may be having this kind of a situation here. Let me make it a little bit more clear to see. So maybe this is a situation here, but at the same time, if I put this resistance now turn support, then we see that we broke outside of it. So then maybe this was true here, and now it's still true in the sense that we are using it as support, but it's no longer a resistance. I'm just going to leave that there, and we can see if it makes sense in the future to have that there. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at the indicators, how the indicators changed because of this nice green candle. So we have stochastic that went pretty high, so we are at 71. We can safely put a green thumb up because stochastic is over 50, and we like when it's over 50. We like it when it's over 80, but 50 is the bare minimum to see some kind of action. Then in terms of the MACD, has not crossed over bullish yet. The two lines are still above zero. But it has not crossed over bullish yet to tell us that, yes, it's the time to really get in because the moving averages are telling us to get in. So this has not come yet, but it's very close. So if we have a decent day tomorrow for Tesla, then it is possible that the MACD will cross over. In terms of the DMI has crossed over back, so crossed over green. So as I mentioned not too long ago, because the red line of the DMI is under 20, and I would even say, well, it's under 15. It's at 10.16. The stock is basically in a congestion zone, so the DMI is a little bit less relevant. So the rule is that if the DMI is under 20, it is less relevant. I tend to still consider the DMI reliable when the black line is around 16, 17, but now at 10, it's pretty low. This is why we are having the DMI crossing over red, green, and everything. So nice day for Tesla. We are going to have to take a look at what is going to happen during the rest of the week. Is Tesla going to still stay above that support? Is it going to still be under 695? With a big move like this today, it's not impossible that the stock takes a breather a little bit, like it did if you look at July 12th. We had the big strong day and then it came back the next day. So we could still have the same thing as that. The difference this time is that we had an excellent quarter, so maybe this push is going to last. But basically, since the stock is between 624 and 694, to have a really nice impulse move would be to have the stock cross 694, then come back and retest 694 as a support, and then fly into the horizon. So until we have that, the stock is pretty much in this congestion zone. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. My weekly recap videos are now exclusively for my YouTube members. So you can become a YouTube member and you will keep seeing all of my daily videos during the week, but I reserve my weekly recap video during the weekend to my YouTube members. I will do one recap video live and I will cover Palantir and Tesla in the same video. And since it's going to be a live event, then you can chat with me and I can answer directly to you. This is going to be either on Saturday or Sunday. It will change every week. You might not be able to attend all of them. It would be too complex to try to schedule a specific time because some people would never be free at that time. And I don't know what is going to happen with me during the weekend. Am I going to be out or not? This is going to be something that is going to be a little bit unplanned, and I am only charging around $5 US, depending on the conversion from Canadian dollars into US. I am only charging $5 US per month. So I don't think it's a big price to ask. Even if you miss one or two during the month, I think you will receive a lot of value for that $5. So I hope that you will join me so that I don't talk alone like I'm doing right now. I hope to see you this weekend. I'm going to wish you a great evening and we are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.